Sniffles, the smart. And today, I am playing. Lumpy, can you turn that music off? Okay. Thank you. Alright, anyway, today, I'm playing 5 Nights at Rippers Night 4. Let's just get to it. Load up the gun. Load up the gun. Hello. 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 Oh! Hi. Oh. Oh God, dude, he's oh! What the heck? That's creepy. Oh, he's got a purple guy arm. Purple guy. It's purple guy. Ah! Shut up! Oh, Baby D, what are you doing here? I don't know. What are you doing here, Baby D? Okay, fine, you can watch it. Hey, can you turn that down? Okay, well. Oh, Ripper! Oh! Yeah, Ripper just showed up. Oh, and you're probably hearing Five Nights at Freddy's music. Lumpy's got the music up so loud! Whoa! Oh, kill me already! I'm too smart! He's dead already. And then just leave it. And then Lumpy left it. I'm all alone! Hello? Oh! Ripper! Nothing really new. Purple guy hasn't appeared yet. Well, I'm very smart and, oh, look up, an ant. Oh. That's a yummy ant. Ooh, I found more. Whoa. Oh. Do it. I had an ant. You're so creepy. You're so creepy. Oh, Foxy. You killed Nutty last time. Yeah, good move. Oh, we're done. Oh, Baby D. Oh! No, wait. No, wait. Yeah, no, Baby D. It's awful. No, wait. Freddy? Yeah. Yeah, where'd he go? Oh! Have you died in fire? Yeah. Five Nights at Freddy's song. Baby D likes it, so he's watching it. I'll load it. Oh no, Ripper! No. Don't you dare! Don't you? Oh crap! Oh, no bullets. Kill me. Lumpy, will you turn that down? Okay! Oh my God. Trying to play a video game. So complicated. Ready? Ready! Stop backtracking! Ripper, you're way too aggressive. Holy crap. Yeah, Ripper. Yeah. Hopefully cut. Oh, 4 a.m. Alright. Hopefully cut him. Oh, no! Oh! Oh, crap. Oh. Oh. No! Oh. Thank you guys for watching Night 4. And, Baby D, say bye. Bye. Bye.